First tonight, for just a few moments, those involved in the Casey Anthony trial thought they had 12 jurors until one woman said she's been praying for the accused killer's mother. Now they're back down to 11 jurors, and they fear there are not enough people left. Rebecca Medina joins us now in the studio to explain. Rebecca?
Well, Wendy, I can tell you that they are running out of jurors. They started with about 110. They've got less than 30 left, and they haven't even begun to question potential alternates.
You're hereby excused. He's hereby excused for cause with my thanks. She's excused.
After 8 long, painstaking days in the Casey Anthony trial, this one ended with one less juror than they had Tuesday morning.
So I'm just letting you know that the well runs dry after this.
That warning came early in the day. With less than 30 potential jurors left, what happens when they run out?
The clerk could summon more potential jurors in. The judge, under some circumstances, can borrow from other groups of jurors who are at the courthouse for other trials.
And if the situation gets really bleak, former federal prosecutor John Fitzgibbons told me the judge could go to desperate measures.
There's the old law that the judge could tell the sheriff to start summoning the bystanders.
That, he said, is unlikely in the 21st century, but nothing would surprise anyone in this high-profile trial. And Fitzgibbons agrees summoning more jurors now could pose yet another problem.
There has been enormous publicity over the last week or two as this jury's process has been involved, so that could taint a lot of the new jurors.
And the stakes are high. If convicted jurors will decide if Casey lives or dies. And it is that responsibility alone that Fitzgibbons said must drive the prosecution and the defense to take their time and get this right.
The defense would strike juror 1119, seat 28.
And Fitzgibbons also said they could limit the number of alternates to 4 instead of 8, but that would be incredibly risky. The trial could also be moved to another county altogether, and that would mean starting all over.